Okay, good morning students. So now we are with the continuation of question number 3, Roman number 5, where this case the focus is given at 2,3, and now the interesting part here it is directives. Directives is x minus 4y plus 3 is equivalent to 0. Whatever the directives we have seen till now, it just intersect either x-axis or either y-axis. But now this case the directives is intersecting x-axis as well as the y-axis. So now if you just wanted to see the how this directives intersects, for that you have the concept of intercept of plane. Under intercept of plane there is one concept where the intercept is given by x by a plus y by b is equivalent to 1. Actually it's not necessary, I'm just showing you what if how this directives is going to intersect. This case this directives will intersect x-axis as well as the y-axis. If we make this in the standard form of intercept form, this is a standard form of intercept form that you learn under plane. There is one chapter plane. Okay, so we have x minus 4y plus 3, I can take that's a negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3, because standard form we have here positive 1. If I divide both sides by negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, I will have here x divided by negative 3 plus y divided by 3 by 4 is equivalent to 1. Now this is standard form in case of intercept form, where the directives will intersect at negative 3 and y will intercept at 3 divided by 4. That means 0.7, yeah, 4, 7, 28, yes, 0.7 something else. So this is how it looks like. If this is the x-axis, so that means it will intersect at negative 3, y it is 0.7 somewhere here. So that means directives will intersect this way. Now this is the case, but this graph is not necessarily, I'm just showing you. If you wanted to see the directives, how it is intersecting x-axis at negative 3 and y-axis at 3 divided by 4, it is 0.7, because A is the intercept of x and B is the intercept of y. So but this one no need. So directly what we can do here is we can directly start solving the questions. Now in order to solve this, as usual, let me take point P of x comma y. You know this is a focus, yes or no? So directly use the definition of parabola. Definition of parabola is modulus of SP is equal to modulus of MP. So SP is a distance between 2 points. That is root of, join these two, we have x minus 2 whole square plus, then join these two, we have here y minus 3 whole square is equivalent to, now this side is a perpendicular distance and it is made by the directives. Substitute the equation of directives, we have here modulus of x minus 4y plus 3 whole divided by root of, now what's the coefficient of x we have is 1, which is 1 square plus, what's the coefficient of y? We have negative 4. We have here negative 4 whole square. Now this one is a little bit different, whatever we have solved till now. Here in this case we have coefficient of x, which is 1, as well as coefficient of y. The formula for perpendicular distance I have given in previous video. So therefore let me square on both sides. When I square on both sides, I will get here x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equivalent to, this side we have is x minus 4y plus 3 whole square whole divided by 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, square and root will get cancelled because I need to square both sides in numerator as well as in denominator. So we have here it is 17. Let me bring this 17 here. We have 17 times, for this 17 put one bracket, expand this, we have here x square minus 4x plus 4 plus, expand this, y square minus 6y plus 9. Remember, Don't forget to close the bracket here, because 17 belongs to all of them. That is equivalent to. Now the interesting part here it is, how to expand x minus 4y plus 3 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b plus c whole square. For that I will give you one formula. That is, we have a plus b plus c whole square is equivalent to a square plus b square plus c square. Oh, this one, yeah, I need more space. Let me rub this one here. I need more space. We have the formula a plus b plus c whole square is, formula it is a square plus b square plus c square plus, now go with this 2ab plus go with this 2bc plus again at last this 2ac. This is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square. Similarly, if you see this a minus b minus c whole square, what will be the formula? Here it will be a square plus b square plus c square. Go this 2, positive into negative becomes negative 2ab, then negative into negative it becomes positive 2bc, then this positive into negative becomes negative 2ac. I hope you are getting this formula. Again, let me try once more. That is a plus b minus c whole square. Let's start together. Okay? A square plus b square. These two, both of them are positive. Okay, plus c square plus 2ab. These two minus 2bc. These two minus 2ac. Now finally of this form, see here we have a minus b plus c whole square. We have here it is a square plus b square plus c square. This 2 becomes minus 2ab. This one will be minus 2bc. Then at last this 2 will be plus 2ac. Now this is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, a minus b minus c whole square. Please keep this formula, because you have to use it when you solve different types of formula, different types of equations. I mean, sometimes you will encounter a plus b plus c, sometimes you will encounter a minus b minus c. Please use this formula. So keeping this in mind, now this case we have is, this is the formula where it is a minus b plus c whole square. Now expand it, we have a square plus b square plus c square is 9 minus 2ab minus 2 4s are 8xy. Then multiply this 2 times 3 times 6, 2 6 2 3 6 6 4 24 minus 24y. Then at last this 2 times 3 times x becomes 6x. I hope you got this expansion. Now please open this bracket. We have 17x square. Open with this one, minus 4 7s are 28, 4 1 is 6x. Then open again this one, plus 17y square. Open with this, minus 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42, so 6 1 is 10, 102y. Then 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 times 17. So we have 13 times 17, which is equal to 7 3s are 21, 7 1 is 9, 3, 1, we have 1, 2, 221. I hope it's correct. You can do your calculator, okay? You can use the calculator, 9, 10, 11, 12, yes, 221. But it's not advisable to use the calculator. As far as possible, try to do manually. That way your brain will start working. When you use calculator, your brain will be always on the calculator. Okay, here listen. We have now plus 221. Try to use calculator wherever is necessary. Otherwise, as far as possible, avoid using calculator. Plus 221. Bring this one here. Minus x square bring this one minus 16y square, bring this one here plus 8xy, bring this one here plus 24y minus 6x, then at last we have is 9. Minus 9 is equivalent to 0. Now, okay, so we are almost there, So this expansion is a little bit difficult, but you just need to practice. If you do practice, okay, then it will be much easier. And then here now, make sure you underline with pencil. It will be much better. Underline 17x square minus x square we have is, that implies 16x square, then 17y square minus 16y square is plus y square, then write this plus 8xy, then let me write the coefficient of x, negative 68x, negative 6x, negative, it's positive, that means add this two, we have negative 74x, then negative 102 y the, then this one here 24, it is negative, this one will be 8, then it is 18, yes, how is correct, 8, 2, well, is it correct? Okay, 18, 12, no, this is not correct. Subtract this 2, 4 it is 8, 9, it is 7, 78, this is 78, 78 plus 24, it is 12, 7, 8, 9, yes, it's correct, okay. Then we have 78y, don't forget. Finally the constant value, 221 minus 9, we have 200 and not 13, it is 212 is equivalent to 0, which is a required equation of the parabola. I know it's a little bit difficult, but if you can practice, if you practice and solve, this will be much easier. So have a look. Thank you.